Science is the fundamental underpinning for most medical advances and for all biotechnology. I'm Ed Egelman, a professor in the Department of Biochemistry and Molecular Genetics at the University of Virginia School of Medicine. The virus that we work on was isolated by a colleague of mine, David Prangashvili, at the Institut Pasteur in Paris, from hot springs in Iceland. That's why it's called Sulfolobus Icelandicus. How life can exist in nearly boiling acid is a question that's of great interest, not just in terms of theoretically, but practically, because we can use this for biotechnology. We have a Titan Cryos electron microscope. It's a state-of-the-art instrument. It's fully robotic. It's controlled basically by a computer, not by a human, and allows us to look at samples, collecting tens of thousands of images. We actually have made fantastic progress having the new instrument, because the project Archaeovirus that lives in nearly boiling acid, we worked on 5 years ago without any success. We know of 4 other laboratories in the world that also worked on this project without any success. And now with this new instrument, we can make incredible progress. The images that we collect are projections, the same way a chest X-ray is a projection. And then computationally, we recover all the three-dimensional information. The most remarkable thing that we found is that the DNA in this virus is in a form that's called A form, that was first described by a very brilliant woman, Rosalind Franklin, in England in 1951. The beige part is what we call a ribbon diagram of the protein wrapping around the DNA that's in magenta. And the structure that you see has never been seen before in any virus. That's what's so exciting about our discovery, that we didn't realize that viruses could exist with completely different type of organization from anything that's been seen before. I think I'm driven by curiosity, and that's the most satisfying thing about doing science. Being able to solve problems about very fundamental scientific questions. How life evolved, how a virus and the host that it infects can live in nearly boiling acid. I mean, these are questions that are amazing.